You are here because you have the same problem like mine. This Ubiquiti network device is driving you crazy because it has a lot of noise. Let's see how you can fix this. First of all, sorry for my English, I'm not a native English speaker, so I hope you can understand my English. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make this device to be quiet and of course keep the same performance, keep the same temperature inside, and of course keep the same airflow that going to this device. In order to do this, you need to replace the original fans that come inside of this with aftermarket one, I think the better one, and of course the quiet one. If you want to do this, you will lose your warranty, so be careful what are you doing in the next step. In order to do this, you just need only one screwdriver, 2 fans, and of course 10 minutes from your time. You don't need to be an expert in order to replace the fans because it has only 2 screws, so each fan has only 2 screws, and of course the connector is plug and play. Just remove the old one, put the new one, and of course put the case back. Be very careful, don't try to touch anything on the mainboard, and also keep your hand dry in order to work inside. Don't work with wet hands. The fans that I found for this device is the Noctua one. I replaced this fan also in my ProMice Pegasus storage solution because it has the same problem, the noise is driving me crazy, so I just removed the original fan and put a Noctua one, and of course my ProMice device is working on the same performance but more quiet. So take a look on this device. This device is made in Österreich, and of course is made in Europe. Let's see. Yes, it's made in Europe. They don't have any made in China label on the back. And this device has the same size as the original Ubiquiti device. The connector is the same, and of course it's just plug and play. Let's take a closer look on this device. If you can see here, it has some dark brown on each edge. You know, you can put the device here, the device is moving, and also these brown pieces from the corner keep the device to don't stay fixed on the case, because the noise problem is not particular from these fans. The problem is that the fan is tight on the case, and when the fan make vibration, the vibration is transmitted to the box, and this entire box act as a case, and you will hear a more powerful noise. So when you put this device, try to remove the original screw and use instead this rubber. You see, this is a rubber screw. So when you install this device, this fan will be not fixing on the case, will be fixing on this device, and also can move, so the noise will be cancelled until you don't hear anything. Be very careful when you remove the fan. Take a closer look to the direction and try to put the fan in the same direction. If Ubiquiti network has the fan with direction outside, so the Ubiquiti network will push the air from inside to outside, don't put this device in backwards in order to push the air inside. No, put in the same direction and try to check this 2 times before power on. Now let's go back into the workshop and let's remove the original fan and put this one. We will come back here in the final to explain you what I've done and how you can do this at home without any experience in this field. So let's remove the screw from the back. So you have to remove 1, 2, and of course the third one. It's very simple, it's very easy to do this. I said earlier, you don't need to be an expert in order to remove the fans from this device. After you remove the screws, you need to remove the case. In order to do this, just pull back the case, and after that, pull up. It's very simple, you can do this very simple. Take a look inside of your UniFi network. How I say earlier, don't try to put the hand of the mainboard, and of course, if you are here, you can clean up all the dust that is inside. Take a look on these fans. This fan is the same fans that I buy separately, and of course have the same connection, and it's just plug and play. For example, just remove the connector from the mainboard, and of course remove the other one, and you have on the bottom you have 2 screws that you will remove from this unit. Let's do this. In order to do this, you need a big screwdriver because these screws are very tight over here. This black is original Ubiquiti fan, and this one it's a Noctua fan. If you see, they have the same dimension, the same sizes, and of course have the same connector to the mainboard. So this job is plug and play. Please take a closer look on the fan airflow and try to put this Noctua fan into the Ubiquiti device in the same way as original fan act. For example, this original take air from inside and blow outside. So put this fan in the same position. You will find, how I say earlier, on this device you will find some arrows, so be very careful to put the arrow outside. So this device will put here like this. I told you I don't use any screw, so I will use this rubber screw. To do this, just put here and pull from inside. The next one, the same. Once they are connected, just use a small cutter and cut these edges. Of course, you can use any tool, but this device is now tightened on the case. If you can see, this device can move right now, so any vibration is not transferred to the case. The vibration will stay on the fan itself. Let's fix the second one. We will use the same. Just pull, let's put and pull back. Of course, you can cut the inside excess. This doesn't matter, but if you want to remove, it's better to remove. This is our Ubiquiti USG 4 device with the new fans. The fans is moving inside the case, so will be no noise transferred to the case, how I said earlier. If you want to connect, you just plug and play. Just connect here, connect here. Let's ensure the cable is going under the main board. It's more easy to stay over here. So right now you have an Ubiquiti USG 4 with more silent fans. Let's put back the case and let's connect to the network and see if everything is going well. Okay, let's go back to the end of this video. After 10 minutes we remove the case. As you see earlier, we put the original fans. As I explained you, I replaced the original screws from the fan with that rubber screw, and this device will work now more quiet. I will put back into my rack server, and of course I can enjoy my night and I can work in quiet all night long. So, as you see earlier, in only 10 minutes you replace the original fan with aftermarket one, a quiet one. So now you have a more quiet device with the same performance, the same airflow and the same temperature inside. If you want to see more videos like this, don't hesitate, hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to receive the notification one each time we upload a new video, don't hesitate again and hit the bell notification, and let's hope that YouTube will send you a notification each time we upload a new video. My name is Claudio from the CS Tech, and catch you in the next one. Bye.